Okay, in this video I'm removing the front exhaust section because I'm on my way to get into the catalytic converter box to check it over and give it a general blowout, make sure it's okay. So come back to exhaust pipe rather. I've got these three nuts to undo. This little bracket section here with these two, and then just at the far end there's another three nuts linking it to the intermediate exhaust section, the exhaust system. So starting at this end, I'm going to do these three nuts and remove them. Okay, so we've got two of the three nuts removed already, and I've left this one just loose for the moment, just so this don't fall straight off and cause any damage. And those two I've removed off there with the small little plate that goes with it. Being careful with this flexi joint just here. It's good to have something to support it, sort of when it comes downwards, to stop any damage happening to the flexi. So I've got a block there, sort of ready to catch it. So now I'm going to go to the end and loosen the nuts off at that end, and finally remove it. So at this section, just removing the last nut of three. So that's suitably loose already. So that should be able to come down gently there. Again, resting on the block I've got there to support it while I go back to the other end, release it from the studs, and then gently remove it from the car. Okay, so I'm at this stage now where all the fixings are now off. Well, except for this one here, which is left loose. So gently remove that nut. Now my front pipe should now slide out quite easily. Right, and there's my front exhaust section piece, safely removed from its position. Tools wise doing this job, I've just used a small ratchet and 13mm socket as to do the nuts, and just had about 13-14 inches of room underneath my car, so jacked up and supported safely.